Hello, my name is Dr. Sri Prakash Duraisamy. I'm a consultant head and neck and a skull-based surgeon at Apollo Cancer Centers, Chennai. I'm going to give a brief overview about oropharyngeal tumors. Basically, oropharynx, what is it? These are the sites which is in the posterior part of the oral cavity or the mouth. That includes the back side of the tongue, both the tonsils, the uvula or the soft palate, and the posterior pharyngeal wall. So the common symptoms for oropharyngeal tumors include a non-healing ulcer for more than 3 to 4 weeks duration, blood while spitting sputum, any long-standing pain, and typically pain radiating to the ear. These are the very common symptoms for oropharyngeal cancers. The second most important thing is when you brush your teeth, when you open the mouth and see a non-healing ulcer for a very long time, again that's a very alarming sign. So basically, most of these oropharyngeal tumors are primarily treated with a single modality. Early tumors are basically treated with single modality treatment. If you have a tumor that is an early stage 1, stage 2 tumor which affects the tonsils, the base of the tongue, or the soft palate or the posterior pharyngeal wall, these can be surgically removed. Here, what we do is we use two surgical techniques, either TAVS or the TORS. These are minimal invasive surgical techniques where we remove the tumor without causing much morbidity for the patient. Thereby, the patients get back to their normal life as fast as possible. Now coming to the advanced oropharyngeal tumors, these can again be very effectively treated with radiation therapy and chemotherapy both included. Radiation therapy and chemotherapy works extremely efficiently and well for oropharyngeal tumors. So here at Apollo Cancer Centers, we have a team of multidisciplinary specialists where they sit and discuss and they finalize the treatment for each and every patient individually. If you see any of these symptoms or signs, kindly report to your nearest physician as early as possible and get yourself evaluated and also treated well. So as I said, I'm re-emphasizing once again, oropharyngeal tumors, these tumors, there's nothing to worry if you detect it at a very early stage, and they can be treated really effectively and efficiently.